Hey guys, this video is kind of me finding out why my sump pump failed. So I had a Flotec half horsepower submersible sump pump that was in my basement. I wanted to know why it failed. I thought water had leaked in and caused a shortage, short circuit. But after inspection, I basically just removed the 4 screws on top, popped the seal, and I don't know if you guys can see, but the actual capacitor, I believe this model is CBB61, actually imploded. You can see the top crack over there. So if you guys have a sump pump and you're short on money and you want to try to fix it, I think one simple bolt back there, you could probably fix your own sump pump. In my case, I chose to just buy a new one since it was old. But these cheap Chinese parts, sometimes the capacitor can blow. The fluid inside is just oil, so don't worry about that. Just to keep the motor cool. But yeah, let me know if it works for you guys.